level. This is the Oracle Challenger 3. Now returning to the sky, nose perking vertically, comes out the sky. Demonstrates not just one, but two. That's a double hammerhead, folks. Pushing in again, rising out, staring the earth in the face, and rises, pulling 8 G's right now. And I know what you're thinking. How does this guy handle all this pressure? He's absolutely ripped. He exercises 6 days a week to handle 10.5 positive G's, 7.5 negative G's during his performance today. So he's in top physical condition. He's also a mountain climber in his spare time, one of the highest mountains in the world. Well, what do you say we go live into the cockpit and see what Sean's up to? Hey, Sean, is that an inverted flat frisbee, sir?
You got that right, Brandon. Ladies and gentlemen, I'm having a blast up here. We say it together. Please fast forward to the English language. That's right. God bless America. You guys having fun down there? I say, yeah, baby. Let's do some more rock and roll. Let's show light. See what I got. All right. I feel like the sports world today. I feel like having a sports world family. So, Brandon, tell them all about it. I'm getting ready.
You got it, Sean. This one is coined by Charlie Hillard, one of Sean Tucker's mentors. Charlie Hillard pulled this one out at the 1972 World Championship. And this trick you're about to see brought him home the gold. Charlie pulled to the vertical. The Russians, Italians, Germans watching, and the judges looked at what he was doing and they said, well, we've seen this before, pulling a plane to the sky, spinning slowly. But then Charlie did something that no one had seen before. He started going backwards. That's right, Sean right now is going 50 miles an hour backwards, getting up to 100